U.S. and Ukraine sign strategic minerals and reconstruction deal amid ongoing conflict. On April 30, 2025, the United States and Ukraine finalized a landmark economic partnership agreement granting the U.S. access to revenues generated from Ukraine's vast mineral reserves. The deal establishes a joint investment fund aimed at supporting Ukraine's reconstruction and development while addressing concerns over continued U.S. financial aid amid the protracted war with Russia. The agreement establishes a fund jointly managed by the U.S. and Ukraine, with equal contributions and shared oversight, designed to finance Ukraine's reconstruction and development, including mining and energy sectors. Ukraine possesses deposits of 22 of the 50 minerals deemed critical by the U.S. Geological Survey, including rare earth elements vital for electronics, clean energy technologies, and defense systems. The deal grants the U.S. preferential access to these resources. Ukraine clarified that previous U.S. military and financial assistance provided before the agreement's signing will not be considered part of the minerals deal, addressing Ukrainian concerns about selling national assets to repay aid. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent framed the pact as a strategic message to Russia, signaling U.S. commitment to a free, independent, and prosperous Ukraine while promoting a long-term peace initiative. Ukraine's Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal indicated that future U.S. military assistance could be incorporated into the Joint Investment Fund, potentially linking defense support with economic cooperation. The deal followed weeks of intense and sometimes contentious negotiations, including a temporary suspension of U.S. aid after a fraught Oval Office meeting between Presidents Trump and Zelensky earlier in the year. Under the agreement, U.S. investments in Ukraine's minerals sector will be tax-free, and Ukrainian exports of rare earth minerals to the U.S. will be exempt from tariffs, encouraging robust bilateral trade. Kyiv retains full control over its subsoil, infrastructure, and natural resources, ensuring that the partnership respects Ukraine's sovereignty and national legislation. While the deal is hailed as a milestone in U.S.-Ukraine relations, its practical impact depends on the trajectory of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, with ongoing fighting potentially limiting immediate benefits. This minerals and reconstruction agreement represents a pivotal shift in U.S.-Ukraine cooperation, blending economic interests with geopolitical strategy as Ukraine seeks to rebuild amid war and secure enduring international support.